Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and this month I'm still showcasing Modernistic Print Shop on Etsy. Let's see what I am going to show you today. Ooh, green baby vintage. The greens are beautiful. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. So it is 24 portrait and 12 of the double-sided junk journal pages. It's 36 pages altogether. Yes, I'm going to be showing you about maybe 8 baby colors. So don't wait and see them all. Go check her pages out. The links will be down below. I mean, look at that green with the blue, and you can just see the layers on layers. I know I keep saying this every time I'm showing her work, but they've got so many layers. A lot of people have to print 10 sheets to get this layer. Well, it's on one. You're saving a lot of ink. You're saving a lot of stuff, a lot of paper. And guess what? Because you downloaded it, it's yours forever. It's up on the cloud. Okay, it's in your computer. So is this not the prettiest green? There's so many different color greens here. Then I see beige. Then I see white, then I see a yellow rose. It is so pretty, and I love the layers. It's just, you just cannot go wrong. Oh, let's put this off to the side so when I show it. And then there's blue flowers, which would go with the blue. All the babies that I've showed and I'm going to show can all coordinate together. You could have a yellow page, double-sided layout on an album, then the next one would be a double-sided purple, a double-sided pink, a double-sided blue, a double-sided yellow, green, what else am I, beige, I don't know what colors I'm leaving out. It's just so pretty. The layouts that you could do as an album or gift cards. I don't know the rules on what you can make and sell. Let me say that properly. My southernness came out on that word. But just ask, because if you go to craft shows and sell, I'm sure you could sell quite a bit of just baby cards or announcement cards. It's so pretty. You know, people in vintage just love baby vintage. Oh, look how beautiful that is. The lace and the layering. It's so nice. I am doing a baby series after I show about 4 or 5 more videos. I'm going to start crafting, and you'll want to follow me to figure out what can I do with images that I download and not just do junk journals. We all love making junk journals. They come together pretty quick and easy once you make 1 or 2, but we also want to make other stuff. Look, so here is the small page, and here is the big one. So that's what it would look like. But every page can be this size, every image. I just didn't do it all. Look at that big bow. And the cards. You can make 3-dimensional cards. You can make boxes with this on the top, this on the bottom. You can cut these apart. You can score it and make your junk journal page, of course. But there's so much more you can do with that. Look at the handwriting, like from the great-grandmother, and then the picture on top. Wouldn't that be wonderful to take a picture and get your baby's picture and then your grandmother's junk journaling on top for a keepsake box with all their clothes? Yes, that would be beautiful. And you can make them and use these images and it not be your personal pictures. It could be any of these, and people love shadow boxes. Look, 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 look. I mean, it is just, the images that she has picked with these babies are gorgeous. Just look how that pops. It's so pretty. So there you go, babes. or babies. See, I'm thinking babies. I don't know why I'm calling y'all babies. That was weird. Okay. Anyway, guys, it's just gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay. Her links will be down below of this green and her actual store. She's got like 160 different kits and working on more all the time. So yeah. So my links will be down below. I have Glue Gun Chronicles. I have Victorian Dreams by Leigh Facebook blog. I have Instagram, Victorian Dreams by Leigh 2110, I think. I have TikTok. I have Lone Star Crafters, which is a Texas group, but you don't have to be in Texas. You know, anybody can be in it. So yeah, my links are down below, and Modernistic Print Shop's links will be down below, and I'm in love. Have a blessed day.